should go get fucking my nails done or fucking...
They wouldn't have, she wouldn't have been open.
She was open for what?
Whoa, calm down. You just don't need to hold it that long. It's so aggressive.
Well, he's still in my lane. This guy's on the wrong side of the road.
What?
Manual recording on.
That's... Whoopsies.
I was just sitting there watching this guy come up. I'm like,
Well, we came up that way,
he
didn't
was
we?
on the side of the road. He's coming straight out. I'm like,
Where has he come from?
I
What
don't know.
are those going to?
I don't know. I think he's turned right out of Olive Street.
Imagine if he really shit his pants. Do you reckon?
Because he would have got to here. There he goes. Because he would have got to here and realised there's no lights telling him to stop.
You're drunk.